Welcome to MarineMax Lake of the Ozarks. I'm Captain Ben Beecher. Today we're on a 2016 Sea Ray 350 SLX. This boat does have the swim platform underneath. It deploys out and down. So get up on the swim platform here. You're going to see this boat has brand new sea deck throughout the whole swim platform up to the bow. It's your fold up seat there. Walk through. You have this nice L-shaped sectional over here. Transitioning to port. Over here on starboard, we have your wet bar, refrigerator, and grill. Okay. The seat does pivot around. Up here at the helm, you have joystick control. This has the Mercury 8.2 big blocks, 380 horsepower. It's just under 270 hours. Vacuum flush head in here. This one does have the air conditioner package as well. And walk up to the bow here. Nice large bow seating area with windlass underneath. So hard to come by these low hour freshwater 350 SLXs, but here's one. Call today, stop in, take a look. Thanks, have a great day.